Okay, so we have just switched our theme over from the 2017 theme to this Access Press Mag. And this is what our site looks like right now. So we've got a pink background with some pink, with a lot of pink stuff on the screen, which is cool. So actually, we're using the magazine theme. Sorry about that. So this site has a good theme applied to it, but it still looks a little, well, empty and bare. So what we're going to do is we're going to add some content and like try to change things around a little bit to make it look a little bit more interesting. So we'll go back to our dashboard, and in under each theme, you'll notice that each theme that has kind of been activated. And if you're not sure which theme is activated, it'll basically tell you under here. So go here and activate this. Make sure that this one's activated, which it should be already. All right. So this is the theme that has been activated for my site. And what I want to do is I want to like start customizing this theme. So I'll click the customize button here. And we've kind of been through this before, so I'm not going to run you through everything. So you know, like these theme options are specific to this particular theme. So if I change to a different theme, then everything will change as well. But I can like customize the site identity again. I can like change the colors of this. I can even put in a header image, which is something that we're going to do. So I'm going to click on header image because right now this site doesn't have a header image, so it kind of sucks, right? Because it's just a web page full of pink. So I'm going to click on add a new image, and what this will do is this will bring up my image library, right? So I already have some images in here, but none of them are going to kind of match what I'm looking for right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload some custom images to kind of make this site start becoming more my style and the way that I want it to be. So I'm going to click select files, and then I'm going to go to like downloads. And hold on, let me white date modify. Or did I save these to desktop? Yeah, I think I saved these to desktop. Sorry. All right, yeah. So I'm just gonna like click on some of the images that we have here. So, for example, I might choose this one, and this is going to upload the image to my media library, which will allow me to like change some of the data over here. And yes, you kind of figured out I'm a Dragon Ball fan, so this will be the title of the image. I can add like some captions, some text, alternative text like BBZ Super, which is an awesome anime that I watch every week. Thank you very much. And a description, BBZ Super Spear, Super, or something like that, right? And then I can click down here to select and crop my image. And this one might be a little big, so I'm going to chop off some of Goku's hair here. Uh, but when it comes to cropping, you do have a lot of options that you can use for it as well. So I'm going to crop this image, not too much of it here. I'm going to crop this image here. And then what this will do is this will give me a preview of what my site will look like with this header image included in it. And it's Dragon Ball. I love it, so I'm going to save this. All right, so my header has been changed, and keep in mind, like nothing really takes effect on my live site until I actually click to save and activate. So if I refresh this right now, because I have just saved it, then my Dragon Ball images pops right up. And that's how you create a header through the customization tools in the theme itself. I could also create a background image, which I usually don't do, But just for the sake of this video, if I want to add a background image, I can use the same process to upload a file to my media library. Hello, file to my media library. Open up. And which one did I do last time? I think I'll go with this one. I'm just picking any random file right now, so we're probably not going to keep this background on here, or we might. Uh, so this will be This is how I can change my background. So I have this Son Goku, which is unfortunately hidden right now, but it does kind of give you more of a little bit of a Dragon Ball feel. And I have not previewed or I haven't saved this yet. So on my site, if I reload it, the changes haven't taken effect. But if I save and publish, or save and activate, sorry, then my site now has a Super Saiyan 4 background, which is actually pretty kick-ass on this pink theme. All right, so now we can go back to the theme options, but you get the general idea of how this works. So if you have menus set up, you can choose the location or which menu you want to use, but we haven't created any of those yet. So I think I will show you how to do those in the next video. We also have like widgets and static front page. So if you have pages in your WordPress site, you can actually choose which page you want to have as your front page. And actually, we have quite a few pages here, so I have to be careful which one I choose for this. And then you can choose your blog post page. So we'll go over all of that in another video. But now you know how to change your header and how to add stuff to the media library. So hold on, let me go ahead and save and publish this. And so in the next video, I think we're going to talk about how to add a menu because, everything, site navigation is very important. So we'll go over that, and then we'll start getting into how to add pages and posts and stuff like that. All right, see you in the next video.